Yo, hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. So let's see how we can trade crash 1000 index without losing your funds. Yeah, so this is a very nice strategy that I'm gonna show you right now, and as you all know, just follow the rules to make money for yourself. So this is derive, where we trade all synthetic indices starting from volatilities down to crash and booms, as well as step index. So there's a link at the description below and also at the comment section of this video for you to create an account so you can start trading. Deriv is the only broker that offers synthetic indices, which are crash and boom volatilities and others, as you know. So guys, this strategy for is only for crash 1000 index. Yes, so I'm gonna use this strategy on this video so you can also learn from it. So stay tuned to this video, don't skip any part, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. That's very important. You can check out other strategies on this channel so you can learn from them, guys, and share this video to your friends and anyone you know who is also interested in trading so that they can also benefit from this. So let's click on crash 1000 index. Good, because 1000 is giving us a good buy right now. So I'm gonna show you, once I insert the indicators for this strategy, you're gonna see a point or a zone where you're supposed to use this strategy and how you are supposed to use it to make money. So we just need a moving average for this strategy. First indicator. Okay, let's take the average true range. First indicator, average true range. Please follow my step, guys, follow my step, please. First indicator, the average true range, period 14. The style 3 pixel. You can take this color just like my own is green. Then the levels, this is where the levels, let me delete the levels on mine. So you see the way I do it, average true range, I click on levels, you click on the add button, set it on 0.5 for the levels. Yeah, so if you are unable to set levels on your own MT5, you should just simply go and update your MT5. Yeah, just go to your Play Store or App Store to update your MetaTrader 5, then you'll be able to add levels on your own. So you click back and done. So this is the ATR that we just added to our chart right now. So the next indicator is a moving average at the main chart, just 40 EMA to get your second confirmation of where the market is actually directing or moving to. So you use the 40 period 40 for this moving average. Shift 0, method simple, apply to close. The style 3 pixel, you can use the color blue, then you click done. So this is the second moving average for this strategy. So now guys, let's talk about how you can use this strategy. You just need to watch out for two conditions. First one, watch out for, right here you can see on my screen, watch out for the moving average to cross below the chart, and watch out for this green line at the 80 arrow to cross below this 0.5 level. So once those two conditions are met, all you should do is place a buy. Yes, you place a buy, you take out 6 candles. As soon as it gives you 6 candles, then you are out. 6 candles is much, guys. It's a whole lot of money depending on the lot size you are using. So if you're using about 5 lot size for this, you should be closing that positions or that trade with about nothing less than $15. So if you're able to catch up to 10 of that in a day, guys, of which you can catch more, but just say average of 10, that will be giving you $150 in a day with this strategy. So how do you place a buy? Like I said, first thing, I come into my chart and I see this moving average cross below the chart. I'll just simply look out for the 80 arrow, this green line, to cross below the 0.5 level. Then I'm good to place a buy right here. I just cash out 6 candles, then I close my trade. Whether the bullish movement is still continue, I don't care about that. I just take off my 6 candles and I'm done for that trade. I'll just look for, start observing the market, expecting to get another condition to place a sell. I'll show you many places where this strategy works. Many, guys, it's always working. Look at it, cross below and the ATRO at the 0.5 level. What you do, you get your 6 candles and then you're off the market. You just observe it, look at it again. It crossed below at this point. You see that, guys? It crossed below at this point, and then look, it's below the zero level. What do? You go for a buy. You take off 6 candles, and then what else? You are done for that. So look at it again. At this point, it crossed below, and the ATR below the 0.5 level. You place your buy, you make some money. Even at this point, you get your 6 candles. You get that, guys. So that's just how this strategy works. As simple and easy as that. Very powerful strategy, guys, to make money. Look at it at this point again. Just make sure those two conditions, then you can place a trade and make money with the strategy. Look at it, cross below again, and it's below the 0.5 level. You place your buy, take off 6 candles, guys. A lot of persons are using this strategy to make money. So you start using this. We're giving you free strategy. Start enjoying it, guys. Don't waste your time. Look at it. It crossed below. Give us 6 candles, and then we're out of it. You get just 2 indicators, the moving average and the average true range. Again, at this point, you catch your 6 candles even before this spike. You just need to be active, observing the market. As far as you just see the condition is good, you are good to take a trade. Look at it. You take 6 candles. Every time it intersects, every time it crosses below the chart, it gives you what you want. Look at it. As far as it crossed below, and it's below the 0 level. Look at this point, it crossed below. You see this, guys, crossed below the chart right here. Then it entered below the 0 level, 0.5 level, and then you take your buy, and then what? You're good to go. You see that, guys? So at this point where it crossed below, it was still above the 0.5 level. So you just avoid the market. Remember, 2 conditions, just 2 conditions. 2, cross below. Look at it, give you 6 candles, and you're out. Just like that, guys. That's just the strategy. This strategy doesn't fail. It doesn't fail. It crossed below. Look, guys, how many am I gonna show you? So that's just how the strategy works. As simple as that. Remember, 1 minute time frame, and the zoom level, you use the smallest zoom level. Yeah, the smallest zoom level, so you can see the clearer picture of your screen. Look, guys, this is a very nice strategy. This is a very nice strategy. A very nice strategy. So if I was here, as soon as it just crossed below, I'll be taking this buy. Yeah. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm just gonna be observing my chart, waiting for a spike, or waiting for an intersection, that is the blue moving average, to cross below the chart again, just like this, and for the ATR with this green line to still be below the 0.5 level. Then I'll be taking a buy, 6 candles, cash out just $15 with my with my 5 lot size, cash out $15, do it again just 5 times. I'll be getting $75, just like that. As simple as that. No big deal. You just make money as simple as that. Cashing out from derive using this strategy, guys. So make sure you hit that link. Click the link at the description below to create an account right now. Yeah, the link is also at the comment section, and you can join our Telegram group. The link is also at the description below of this video. So thank you guys for watching. Share this video, guys. Share the video for it. Share it so that people can reach out to it, and make sure give a thumbs up and drop good comments. Yeah, for sure, so the video can be recommended for other people to also learn the strategy as well. So thank you for watching. Forex success.